Hi, want to know how to use split screen on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE? So, as a first step, we would need to open our recent application and here choose at least once that you would like to use in the split screen. Then you would need to hold your finger on it and pull it to the upper part of your phone until you see this tab. Now release your finger, and here, as a next step, we would need to select the second application that we would like to use. So, for example, I'll pick Calculator, and here is it. We have successfully entered the split screen. As you can see, both of the applications are fully working. And this is it. Now let's talk about a little bit about managing this split screen. So first thing that we have here is this middle line. And if we will hold our finger on it and then move it up or down, it will adjust the size of applications. Let's do it one more time, and you can see that like this you can change the size of apps. And also here you can notice these two lines, and which one is blue, the one is active. So for example, I'll click on this and here you can see a lot of buttons. So the first button is opening the application grid. You can see all of your apps right here. Then next button that we got here is making the bottom application in the pop-up view, and now you have still two fully working apps and you can use both of them. So now let's go back and here click on this icon to go back to the split screen mode. And third button that we got here is making this application full screen, and the last button is also making the upper application full screen, which means exiting the split screen mode. So let's click on it, and this is it. Now you know how to use split screen. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.